Yeah.
What's up, guys? November 13th. Alright, it's an epic Filipino day. Manny Pacquiao just beat the living crap out of Margarito. So what a better way to celebrate it than a box break, baby. Alright? It's gonna be a 2009 Upper Deck football. 4 hits. I'm hoping that it's not a double rookie, but I'll take whatever comes into play. Also, you guys gotta check out the number. It's number 69. I don't know if you can see that. That's number 69. Here I go. First time I'm opening this product. Hopefully it won't be my last, depending on what I get. If I do get a double rookie, I'm hoping it's at least a Mark Sanchez or anybody else good. Sorry about the noise out there. This thing's... There you go. 2009 Upper Deck Black. Love the box. Sexy. Elegant. Here we go. Pack number 1. It's going to be... Nice, an Ed Reed, number 118 to 250 flag, and it's going to be, oh, another flag. Oh, nice, Ron Yeri, autograph, number 18 to 75.
That's directly signed.
Yeah, so at least that's on card. At least it's not a double rookie. Hopefully this one's even better. Nice, Ron Yeri, Minnesota Vikings. Auto, flag, patch. This cheeks. Second pack. Here we go. Hopefully it's 2 for 2. It's going to be... Nice, a Matt Ryan rookie flag. Look at that. I don't think that's not rookie, but it's a flag though. Better, good player to have one though. Numbered 178 to 250, and it's going to be Adrian Peterson quad auto. Look at that, baby. What's up? Number 2 of 5. Oh my goodness. Manny Pacquiao Day. Got even better, homie. Please subscribe. Get at me. Laters.